Welcome to another Anno's accounting video tutorial. How to create a quote. Log into your account or create an account. Add your credentials. Click Login. Dashboard loads with the menu on the left. Click Sales. Then click Quotes. A list of your quotes appears here. Click No Quote. Start filling in your desired details. Select your customer. Select Quote Status. Select Dates. Set your preferred discount percentage. Project details go here. Add your items here. Add from saved items list or create a custom line. Quantity and days of service. Click Save Quote at the bottom. Now your quote appears on the list. Click to view quote. Make sure your quote has all the information. Download a PDF or send quote directly to your client. That's how you create a quote on the Anno's app. See you on the next tutorial.